This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by removing tension safely. Ease each string a half turn and watch the neck. Use a chromatic tuner set to C# standard so you know target notes. Once the strings are slackened slightly, inspect the nut slots and bridge saddle height. Tuning down changes string angle. Make sure to keep the capo or lock off if present. This prevents twisting. This immediate prep prevents buzzing and neck warp and sets you up for the next steps cleanly and confidently. Once strings are loose, tune each string down to C# in small steps and recheck pitch often. Do low to high so tension changes evenly. If you hear buzz, raise the action or tweak saddle height. Lower tunings often need heavier string gauges to retain tension and tone. Make truss rod adjustments only in 1/8 turn increments because the neck will shift slowly. Let the instrument rest 30 to 60 minutes and retune, then reassess intonation and action. To refine, finish by checking intonation and string stability. Play the open note and the 12th fret harmonic, then adjust the saddle until they match. Once intonation is good, stretch each string firmly and retune. This helps the new tension settle. If tuning slips, consider locking tuners or slightly heavier strings and recheck nut slots for binding. Troubleshooting tip. If persistent fret buzz or dead notes appear, raise action incrementally or consult for a compensated nut or fret dressing. This usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.